Brita tap water filter system. Water faucet filtration system with filter change reminder. Reduces lead, BPA free. Fits standard faucets only. Basic, white. Easy and convenient, this Brita water filtration system attaches to your standard faucet, making tap water cleaner and great tasting. Filtration system is easy to install. No tools required. Height 8.25. Width 2.38. Length depth 6. Weight 0.84 pounds. Reduces lead. Water filter system filters out 60 contaminants such as 99% lead, chlorine, taste and odor, benzene and asbestos contaminants that may be found in tap water. Substances reduced may not be in all users' water. Filter change reminder, a helpful status indicator, lets you know when your filter is working and when it needs to be replaced with a one-click filter replacement. Replace your tap water filter every 4 months for the average family. Reduce waste and save. One BPA-free Brita faucet filter can provide up to 100 gallons of filtered tap water, replacing up to 750 standard 16 ounces plastic water bottles. Save in style, reducing bottled water waste helps save money, and with the white finish, this water filter system is sure to match most modern kitchen decor. Fits standard faucets only. Does not fit pull-out and spray style faucets. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.